The money game. Power, greed, and the price of wealth. Money. It's not just paper or numbers on a screen, it's power, it's influence, and for some, it's an obsession. It has built empires and torn them down. It has sparked revolutions and silenced dissent. But behind the gleaming skyscrapers and luxurious lifestyles lies a darker story, one of greed, ambition, and betrayal. This documentary pulls back the curtain on the high-stakes drama of the financial world, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. From the boardrooms of Wall Street to secret offshore accounts, this is the untold story of humanity's relentless pursuit of wealth. Chapter 1. The Rise and Fall of Financial Titans in the Financial World. The line between genius and fraud is razor thin. This chapter delves into the meteoric rise and catastrophic falls of financial titans like Bernie Madoff, whose Ponzi scheme unraveled the lives of thousands, and Enron, a corporate giant brought to its knees by deceit and greed. Through gripping accounts from whistleblowers, victims, and insiders, we uncover how ambition and hubris turned success into scandal, and how the ripple effects shattered lives across the globe. Chapter 2. The Dark Side of Wealth. Wealth often promises security and opportunity, but it also casts long shadows. In this chapter, we dive into the shadowy underworld of money, from secretive tax havens to the labyrinthine schemes of money laundering. The Panama Papers exposed a hidden network of global elites shielding their fortunes while ordinary citizens bear the brunt of inequality. We'll expose the mechanisms that keep this hidden economy running and the human cost of such practices. Chapter 3. Market Manipulation and Economic Collapses. Markets are supposed to reflect the health of the economy, but what happens when they're rigged? This chapter takes you into the chaos of market manipulation and economic crises, from the 1929 Great Depression to the 2008 financial meltdown, and even the recent GameStop stock frenzy. Through dramatic retellings, we'll walk through the pivotal moments when greed overtook reason, and the world watched in disbelief as fortunes evaporated and economies crumbled. Chapter 4. The human cost of greed. Behind every financial scandal are human stories, families displaced, retirements destroyed, dreams shattered. In this chapter, we'll spotlight the untold stories of those who bore the brunt of financial greed. From personal interviews with victims to raw footage of protests and evictions, we'll reveal the emotional toll of a system that sometimes prioritizes profit over people. Chapter 5. The Allure of Money. What is it about money that makes it so intoxicating? This chapter explores the psychological grip of wealth, from the gold rushes of the past to today's crypto craze. We'll also examine how money is portrayed in culture, the glamorous depictions in Hollywood films, the flaunting of wealth on social media, and the societal pressures that push people to chase riches at any cost. Chapter 6. Redemption and Reform. While money has a dark side, it also holds the potential for profound good. This chapter highlights individuals and organizations working to reform the financial system, from those advocating for transparency to pioneers of impact investing. We'll also explore how blockchain technology and fintech innovations are democratizing finance, giving underserved communities access to tools that were once out of reach. The true price of wealth. Ready to uncover the truth about money? Watch now, share your thoughts, and join the conversation about the future of wealth. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of money, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support more stories like this. Your voice matters. Let us know your thoughts below.